am Saint Germain, and with you I always remain. My sense of humor you have heard about. Find your sense of humor now and breathe into your belly. I am Saint Germain. Lighten up. Not so necessary to be worn down, to be tired or exhausted. Not so necessary to be in shock. Remember, the vibration of this year that you are passing through now was the vibration of divine will alignment. As a divine will began to align within you, you became able to accept your divine nature. That you have been working on now for 2 months or so, if you wish to look at it in segments of time. 60 days or so, you have begun to accept the divine nature, which was only possible through your divine will alignment. You're working with the vibration of the violet flame. You're working with the divine will alignment herb and essence combination has helped you move forward into this year. And yes, my dear ones, you will continue to find formulas of herbs, formulas of flower essences, formulas of vibrational medicines, gem elixirs, star elixirs, formulas that will help your bodies accept this new energy, accept your ability to be fully in the moment. The physical plays a great deal in this transformation. The physical form and the nervous system are very involved in your transforming spiritual energy into matter, in your shift, your polarity shift from matter form to spiritual form. Breathe this in now and think about it. We have been speaking almost 20 years to you of the new shift, the polarization shift, the polarity shift, the shift from matter form to spirit form. And you are shifting. You are shifting. You are shifting into vibrational form. And so in the last several years, we have encouraged you to work with vibrational energies, sound healings, vibrational sounds within your own body, tones, sounds of the birds, sounds of the frogs, sounds of rushing water, vibrations created by sound, vibrations created with bowls, crystal bowls, gem bowls, metal bowls, vibrations created with your own voices. We have asked you to listen to the songs of the whales, the songs of the birds, the songs of the lone wolf howling on a winter's night. We have asked you to bring these into your own being and body and to become one with those sounds. This helps the physical body with a vibrational shift. There are steps through all of this. You have heard our words, and those of you who have chosen to work through the community of this particular channel and in your own soul family have listened to a progression. And in that progression, there has been a story. And in that story, there has been a blueprint. And in that blueprint, there have been keys to open up your systems, to help you navigate and work more easily in the physical form. And you have absorbed it month after month in spiritual vibrational energies. The vibrational bodies are powerful, and they are shifting within you, and they are merging and integrating with the physical. And so you have these aches and pains. Welcome them. They are the areas of the body which are opening. Your right knee, your left knee, your karmic energies, your hips, your wrists, your elbows, even the bones in your head or your nose, they have all been shifting. We spoke to you of the bones this evening, of the skeleton, of the framework that had built your nervous system, your blood, your veins, your vessels, that had cradled your organs with muscular bridges and connections, that have the flesh that has been molded into this body and this form that is connected all the way through with living vital energies. This vibrational form, this physical form, they become one and they shift. You are shifting, you are shifting, you are shifting. More herbal combinations, more beings will come up with things that will help your cells, that will help your crystalline structure merge more fully with your physical structure, more awareness will come through. Be open to the awareness, for many of you will receive it. Many of you who work with healing, who work with your hands, who work with heat, who work with needles, who work with mixing up the flower vibrations and the star vibrations. Many of you will come together, and many of you will bring forth new information to help people balance and integrate and become whole. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame, strengthening and straightening the spine once again, breathing into the body and focusing on that violet energy. Imagine balls of light, of violet purple light, bouncing up and down your spine as you tone with me tonight. Tone 9 times. For the 7 chakras and the earth star and the soul star, tone 9 times and let those energies bounce up and down the spine, out of the top of your head and out of the base of the spine into the earth. It is not only visual, this imagining a violet ball going and bouncing on your spine, popping through the tailbone, down through the surface of where you sit and into the core of the Mother Earth. That is not visual. You can visualize that as you breathe and create it with your tones, but it is actual. You are actually sending the violet flame deep into the earth to support your transformation, to support your transmutation, to support you turning around your thoughts, changing them, transforming the mind, to support you turning around your physicality and burning out the poisons and the toxins that the body has collected. This happens in the thoughts, this happens in the physical, this happens in the emotional. Those emotional energies and old hurts that have harbored in the dark places, festered and grown into things, are bursting and releasing now. You see this in your planet and you are shocked sometimes at the violence that comes out. This is a violence of a purge, of the purging of toxic energies. Maintain your balance, your joy. Transform your own self and you will stabilize the earth. You will stabilize the earth and the earth's people in their rebirth. I am Saint Germain. Now, imagining those balls of light, for they are real. Visualize them and let them free in the spine. 9 times tone. As that energy bounces up and down your spinal cord, bouncing above your head and lifting your spirits, lifting your thoughts to spirit, bouncing out of the spinal cord and deep into the earth, deep, deep into the earth. It bounces its way down to find the core, the wisdom core of the earth, to find that hot molten core in the Mother Earth and to connect the violet flame with it, transforming, transmutating. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. I am with you, and with you I remain. Call on me. Use the violet cloak, the violet flame of transmutation. In this western part of your world, many of you are gathering for meals, for community. Gather with consciousness. Whither thou you are going, wherever you are going, move towards it with consciousness. Gather together with consciousness. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Move towards one another. With the clarity, allow yourself to see beings with love and compassion. As you see those beings that you are moving toward, see them with love and compassion. See the judgments that you have falling away. Yes, you can be clear and discerning, and you can also be loving and forgiving. Be at peace. I am Saint Germain. With you I always remain. As far away as you are repeating my name 3 times, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain. My friends, my brothers, my sisters, my children, my lights on the earth, with you I remain. I am Saint Germain.